Hello, amazing mathematicians. Let's go through this word problem. First, we'll read it, and then we will go back in and cube it. Alondra currently owes her parents $15.65 for some games she bought on her phone. She babysits over the weekend and makes $32. If she wants to also buy a pair of shoes for $68.50, how much money will she owe her parents at that point? Okay, so going through the problem, every word problem, it would be best if you can try to put yourself in the position to figure out what's going on with my numbers, right? So Alondra currently owes her parents $15.65. So we know owes means negative, right? She owes $15.65. So I'm going to pull that out because I know it's going to be a negative number. Then she babysits over the weekend and she makes $32. Well, we know when you make money, you're getting money. Well, that's always positive. I make $32. If she wants to also buy a pair of shoes for $68.50, how much money will she owe her parents at that point? So now she's also buying a pair of shoes. And I take it her parents said yes. Super nice. But when you buy shoes, right, and especially when you're borrowing money, it's a negative because it's leaving your pocket and going into the hands of the shoe company. So that's negative $68.50. So we need to figure out how much is on her tab with her parents. So there's some strategies we can use here. One common strategy that I like to use, especially when we're dealing with more than two values, is combining your negatives together and your positives and finding the ultimate difference, the total difference at the end. What I mean is we're going to put our negatives together because same signs, add and keep. So I'm just going to add these two guys together. And then I'm going to keep the negative, so I know they're both negative. That, and if I'm picturing this on a number line, I'm starting at negative $15.65, and then I'm going left $68.50, so it's going to be even a smaller, deeper negative number. 0 plus 5 is 5, 5, 6 is 11, 9 plus 5 is 14, and 7 plus 1 is 8. So this is actually $32 minus $84.15. Or we can write this as negative $84.15 plus 32. It's literally the same thing. All right, so now I'm going to find the difference between these two numbers, making sure my decimals are aligned, and then I know my answer is going to be negative. Why? Because this guy is so far left of 0, there's no way just adding 32 is going to get me past 0 into the positives. So let's go ahead and subtract these guys. 84.15 minus 32.00. My decimals are aligned. That was 32 whole dollars, so I need to make sure it is in the right place value. 5 minus 0 is 5. 1 minus 0 is 1. Pull down my decimal. 4 minus 2 is 2. And 8 minus 3 is 5. So she is in the negative by $52.15 with her parents, obviously. That's how much she owes them. Super nice parents.